Right now at 5:30, there are new developments in the Fotis Dulos case this afternoon. Today, in fact, his attorney complained the recent gag order is infringing on his client's freedom of speech. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanne is joining us now live with the details. Roger has more on how the lawyer can even talk about the case when there's a gag order in place.
Yeah, Mark, that definitely is the big question in many people's minds. But defense attorney Norm Pattis says he can talk about the likely impending trial and the investigation as long as he does not attack anyone's credibility. But of course, that doesn't mean the judge will be happy about some of the things he had to say today. The gag order on the Fotis Dulos case did not stop his attorney, Norm Pattis, from showing his typical bravado on the Chaz and AJ show this morning on 99.1 WPLR.
We're prepared to meet these accusations in any forum, anytime, anywhere, whether in a courtroom or in the court of public opinion.
Police believe Dulos is responsible for the disappearance of his estranged wife, mother of 5, Jennifer Dulos. Pattis feels the recent gag order on the case is unfair because the public can only hear one side of the story.
The problems with the order from our perspective is the warrants get to repeat the state's theory without letting us inspect the evidence, and we can't respond in kind by floating theories of our own. There is something, in our view, wicked and fundamentally unfair about that.
The gag order restricts Dulos or anyone else connected with the case from saying anything about the credibility of the victim, witnesses, or any other trial participants.
Our view is, given the public interest in the case and the way the case has unfolded thus far, his hands are being tied to his detriment, thereby compromising his fair trial rights.
Pattis is appealing the decision, but says at the end of the day, he and his client may be forced to accept a decision they don't agree with.
Being a trial lawyer is being a prize fighter. You step into the ring and you make your best case according to the rules that the referee calls.
Now, one thing that Pattis says he is not worried about is jury selection. He said today, despite all of the publicity surrounding this case, he does believe finding fair jurors will not be a problem. Roger Suzanne, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.